Hi everyone, Terri Bemis here with WaterSong Creek Creations. Today I just wanted to drop a quick little inspirational video for you, show you some things that I've got going on, I've been making recently, and hopefully that inspires you to make some things, come up with some new ideas for yourself. I am at Howey in the Hills, Florida, at the Howey Library. They have Friends of the Library art group that has a special artist that comes in every month to display, and they were kind enough to ask me this month. So I just want to give you a quick tour of what I've brought in for the month of March, and hopefully stir your creativity for things you might like to make. So let me get this camera flipped and I'll show you what we've got going on. So the first thing we have is this 6-pane window that was perfect. I had this at another shop, and when they asked me to come to the library, I thought how perfect for here because it's all about books. And all I did was put 2 different blues of mica powder in the resin down, used my Cricut machine, and then put clear resin over. And you know, if I'm talking about resin, I'm talking about ProGlas 1000 resin from fiberglasswarehouse.com. So check it out. This is just one of the beautiful pieces you can make with this great resin. So if we pan around here to the artist wall, this is some of what I have going on. This is a turtle about 12 inches, and it's MDF board. It's very thin and lightweight. And then we have our beautiful mermaid. I got her at Hobby Lobby and put her on a frame that I had with various colors of blue crushed glass. So she fit perfectly on that frame. I was so happy with that one. And here we have a starfish and an angelfish with some beautiful coral at the bottom. I've always wanted to do some work with coral and was never able to get my hands on any, and somebody gave me a big bag of it. So now I'm having lots of fun with coral. Okay, here is our little couple on the beach with a seagull floating out in the water. I love these guys. I got this from California Seashell Company. They have discontinued them. I think I've got about 6 more pair, and I am going to do a detailed video on how I made this, so be watching for that in the near future. This is my lady in the rain, in the alcohol ink rain. I did a video on how I made her, which will be coming up here shortly. And then here's crushed glass on a mermaid cutout. This is pretty lightweight despite all of the crushed glass. That is a really easy project to do if you're a beginner. This one you might want to think about trying something like that. Here is another cutout on plywood. I said MDF a minute ago. I never know if MDF and plywood are the same thing, but it's plywood. And then I used crushed glass on her for a little crown and her belt, which gives her a little bling and some fun. Here we have Easter's coming up, so we've got a cross. Psalm 118:22 says, watch my mind just leave me right now. The stone that the builders rejected has become the cornerstone. So I thought making this cross out of pebbles in a nod to that scripture reference was good. And then I have 3 purple glass stones in the center to depict the royalty of Christ. And this is put together on pallet wood that my husband took apart and made for me. This wonderful lady, I'm trying to get the glare off of her. Let me come down a little bit. This was in a bag of jewelry that I had purchased along with all these hearts, and I think she's just fabulous. She's one of my new favorite pieces. So think outside the box. If you've got old jewelry laying around, you can make such fun things with it. Here is my Splish Splash. I did do a video on how I made that, and look how pretty it is, all finished and hanging on the wall. It's just one of my new favorites, and I know I'm gonna make it again and again. Sorry, that automatic door keeps opening and closing. This is, let me see if I can get the glare off of that. There you go. This is an Elizabeth Rhodes Studio inspired mushroom on a, I think that's an 18-inch round. I don't think it's 24. But I painted all of that and then added the little bowls that I snapped in half with some glass cutters. I've got some of my my Vitrograph glass as accents, a couple of butterflies on there from my jewelry stash, and some little crushed glass around the bottom. Think outside the box, folks. You can just do anything with resin. So that's what I have on the wall for now. I will be adding things as the month goes, but hope this inspires you. And there's nothing you can't do with ProGlas 1000 resin. So keep thinking, and as always, please send me your ideas and what you're doing so that I can receive inspiration from you. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great day. Be blessed. Bye-bye.